Good morning. I'm on Lake Commandant Charcot, and let's go take a look in my cabin. I'm in cabin 823. Which is called Privilege Suite Deck 8. This is the living room. Place where you hang your life jacket. Over here you're gonna find toilet. In this living room, let's see, we get a 55-inch TV, 2 tables, big comfortable sofa. Over here you're gonna find high-tech touch screen phone, and you get COVID protection kit, which contains hand sanitizer, masks. Over here in this closet, you find Nespresso, some tea, safe, and fridge, which is a minibar. Over here I keep my parka. They also give you 2 pairs of binoculars. Okay, some base. Let's go take a look at the balcony. Very nice balcony, nice great view. I use it very often to take pictures. Now let's check out the bedroom. I believe that's a king size.
Très chers passagers de
Oh,
nouveau,
they're making an announcement.
bonjour à tous, très chères passagères, ceci est un message pour vous, puisqu'effectivement, je vous le disais tout à l'heure, à midi, nous vous donnerons rendez-vous au bras zéro, au niveau du pont Neuf, pour une photo que nous allons prendre toutes ensemble, passagères, mais également membres d'équipage, donc pour la Journée internationale des droits des femmes. Donc rendez-vous pour cette photo à midi, au niveau du bras zéro. Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning once again. As I told you a little bit earlier, we'll meet all the women on deck 9 around the bras zéro for the picture that will be taken for the International Women's Day. Guests, but as well the crew members. So for all the ladies on board, the meeting will be bras zéro, deck 9 at noontime. Thank you and see you there.
Okay, let's continue. In this room you will get a second 55-inch TV. You get free drinking water bottles to take on with you for your excursion. That is a Bluetooth speaker. Now bathroom. Over here you'll find a jet bathtub, which I only have used it only once so far. Sink for 2 people. plenty of storage underneath. You get a quite expensive Dyson hairdryer. Plenty of towels. Shower room. And another toilet, which I use both of them. I use this one for number 1 and the other one for number 2. Now, walk-in closet. Very roomy, plenty of storage. Lots of spaces to put my junks. Oh, I brought my Nintendo Switch for this trip. And this is where I keep my cameras. Enough space to put your full-size suitcase. Oh, and they give you this waterproof backpack. They also give you this notepad with pen. By the bed, you're gonna find plugs, USB ports, European power outlet, and US power outlet. Some little storage over here. Okay, right here you're gonna find that's a Samsung tablet. I'm not exactly sure what it is used for. It's in French language. For some reason I cannot switch to English. I'm not sure what it's used for. I guess that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.